Where did you?
One of the world's richest people is backing Bitcoin. Here's why. Bitcoin has its fair share of backers and detractors, but it's not every day any of the world's richest people, in this case, Hong Kong billionaire Ai Ka-shing, throws their aid behind the nascent technology. Lee, who's 90 years old and known as Superman, has invested in the upcoming Bitcoin and cryptocurrency platform BAKKT through his venture capital firm Horizon Ventures. BAKKT announced it had raised $182.5 million in its Series A funding round last week in a blog post, with Horizon Ventures fronting a portion of that. Bitcoin and cryptocurrency investors who have weathered his so-called crypto winter are already been somewhat cheered by positive start to 2019, with many eagerly looking forward to major global stock exchanges offering Bitcoin futures contracts and the highly anticipated BAKKT Bitcoin platform. The AKKT Bitcoin platform, which is being developed with New York Stock Exchange owner Intercontinental Exchange as well as partnerships with coffee shop chain Starbucks and PC giant Microsoft, plans to offer Bitcoin futures trading from the first quarter of this year and open Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies up to a wider retail market. Later this year, BAKKT will allow people to buy, sell, store and spend cryptocurrencies through Microsoft's cloud, while Starbucks will let them convert Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies to US dollars to make purchases. This is not, however, Lee's first foray into the world of Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. Ai, who is worth about $34.9 billion, according to Forbes' yearly billionaires list, invested in Bitcoin payments processor BitPay back in 2013 and blockchain technology provider Blockstream in 2016 through Horizon Ventures. Lee was joined last year by British billionaire and founder of Virgin, Richard Branson, who is one of a number of investors who put $30 million into BitPay. The Bitcoin price has struggled in recent months, falling throughout 2018, as investors struggle with a hangover from Bitcoin's epic bull run in 2017 which sent the price from under $1,000 at the beginning of the year to almost $20,000 in just under 12 months. Many Bitcoin investors and traders are looking toward things like a US Bitcoin exchange-traded fund ETF to boost the price, though those expectations have been somewhat dampened lately as the US Securities and Exchange Commission frets over potential price manipulation. The Winklevoss twins, of Facebook founding fame who have now turned to Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, founding their own exchange, took to social network Reddit to talk up the possibility of the US regulator approving a Bitcoin ETF later this year. The Bitcoin price has leaped sharply higher. Here's why. Bitcoin, which many investors and traders are hoping is going to begin 2019 with a bang, has leaped sharply over the last 24 hours, adding some 6% and climbing above the psychological $4,000 mark for the first time this year. The Bitcoin price, which has been languishing at around $3,750 for the last couple of weeks, moves sharply higher after a surge in Bitcoin trading volume that sent the original cryptocurrency's market capitalization up over $70 billion, according to CoinMarketCap data. Bitcoin, despite being the most widely traded cryptocurrency with trading volume into the billions of dollars every day, still struggles with wild price swings due to so-called market whales moving large volumes of Bitcoin at above or below the current market value. Just ahead of the Bitcoin market spike last night, a Bitcoin whale moved some 2,500 Bitcoin worth just under $10 million on the Luxembourg-based Bitstamp exchange, according to the Twitter price tracking bot Whale Alert. The move pushed the daily Bitcoin volume up to over $5 billion, a 2019 high. The jump in the Bitcoin price sent the wider cryptocurrency market higher, with Ethereum gaining just over 2% over the last 24 hours, while Ripple XRP added almost 5%. A surge of 6.5% in 30 minutes is not entirely uncommon for Bitcoin and could very well be caused by a single large order on an exchange or even by a lack of liquidity in the market, said Matty Greenspan, senior market analyst at brokerage firm Toro. What's interesting about this move is that it did bring us above the $4,000 level and so far is holding on to the gains. Bitcoin isn't the only major cryptocurrency to see large holders make big moves lately. Since Friday, More than $273 million in Ethereum has been transferred in 21 separate transactions, with 0 of the largest transactions from the crypto exchange Bitfinex to unknown wallets, was reported today by trade news site The Daily Hodl. The largest Ethereum move is worth almost $19 million. Meanwhile, the Bitcoin price is being supported by news that CoinFlex, originally a part of the Bitcoin exchange CoinFloor, has announced plans to offer physical Bitcoin futures to Asian investors next month. The move by CoinFlex, erst reported by the Bloomberg Newswire, will put it in direct competition with the New York Stock Exchange and Eris Exchange, both expected to be offering similar contracts soon. The move to physical Bitcoin futures is seen as important to help combat manipulation in the market, with some claiming cash-settled contracts leave unregulated Bitcoin and cryptocurrency markets open to abuse. The chief executive of CoinFlex and co-founder of CoinFloor, Mark Lamb, told Bloomberg CoinFlex will offer futures contracts for Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash and Ethereum that can be leveraged up to 20 times. Crypto derivatives could become an order of magnitude larger than spot markets, and the main thing that's holding back that growth is the lack of physical delivery, Lamb said. Volumes are reduced because of a problem of trust when it comes to cash-settled trades. Elsewhere, Bitcoin SV, a fork of the Bitcoin Cash cryptocurrency, looks close to falling out of the cryptocurrency top 10 by market capitalization as the likes of Tron, Cardano, Stellar, and Litecoin make rapid gains. Litecoin is up by some 10% over the last 24-hour trading period, leading the field. Bitcoin SV has struggled with waning volumes and lackluster adoption since its battle with Bitcoin ABC for control of the Bitcoin Cash network last year.